So I'm just going to talk through my trade of the week. So this was Thursday. Pre-market trade was nice and quick. Good 3 hour there, in and out. So then we get to the London Open, which this little box here is the 30-second opening range. We see immediate bearish push down. We kind of visited that same area that started that first entry. Um, in fact, if we look at this, it probably reacted off this kind of same tiny imbalance initially. Yeah, look at that kind of hit there. And then when I seen this impulse up, this is where I'm expecting my kind of London reversal model. So then I'm just kind of patient and timing the entry. So we break above the moving averages again, and then get a further push down to sweep all the lows, including them pre-market lows. Um, Once you do that, we see another big reaction. So now I'm kind of just ready to time the entry. So I see this push down, failure to make a new low, another nice impulse up, getting back above the moving averages. So now, if you have kind of bigger stops, this would have been a more than a good enough entry there, kind of entering there and down there. But I like to keep my stops at 10 points. So accuracy is very important for me. So then I see this push down again, kind of in the middle of this little impulsive move up. And then I'm anticipating that this 9 EMA is going to cross over the 20. So if you see this price action here, we weren't crossed yet, but this was my entry on the close of this candle and entered here straight up. So that was 979. We went straight to 995. So I was in break even before this candle even closed. And then I just sat back and managed it dynamically because I got my 3R already in the morning. We swept the lows and reacted. This is perfect setup for a trend day in one direction. So that's the ones I would manage dynamically. So how I done that? I waited for some form of structure or a big impulse to form. So as we see this kind of building, and then we got this big, massive push through kind of some previous highs here. Once that candle had closed, I'd move my stop up here. So I think that was around 50 points. And then I just trail every 1 minute candle. So once this candle closes and forms this one, my stop went to there. Same on this one, same on this one, until I'd kind of trailed up there and got took out on this wick. So it ends up being a 13.5 hour trade. So really good trade and made the week a good week because it was a very, very tricky week. And until this 3 hour, I was break even for the week and then got this one to make it a good week. So yeah, that is a textbook London reversal model for me. Couldn't have been any cleaner, to be honest.